I want to build a compost site and help that community stand on their feet so they can take over it and I can walk away and build more compost sites. That's what Compost Power is about. It's about just giving the power to the people. Not only am I, reducing the waste that goes to landfill and generates methane emissions, but I'm creating a resource. I want to hit the areas that sanitation, DSNY sort of missed. Those spots in New York City that really, really wanted to compost, but they didn't have a food scrap drop off nearby. Composting is basically when you take all the waste from your household that was once alive. So food scraps, rice that you didn't eat, bread, anything in your household that you would eat that went bad. Composting is when you don't throw that away. You mix it with wood shavings, you mix it with wood chips, and you get the recipe right so that nature can actually turn that food, that waste, that stuff that we think is waste, nature turns it back into gold, and nature turns that into a soil fertilizer. I don't want to build all these compost sites and create an empire where I run every single compost site. I want to build a compost site and help that community stand on their feet so they can take over it and I can walk away and build more compost sites. So that's what Compost Power is about. It's about just giving the power to the people. I'm starting with New York City, but when I'm done with New York City, I plan to go everywhere.